What's up, guys? Welcome back. I was feeling a little bored, so I decided to come out here and take something off the truck. That is the goal for today. Just gonna get to taking stuff off. I don't know what, stuff that I'm changing, stuff that I'm taking off. And whatever is on the title of this video, be what I take off. Or what I get off. This truck is old, so ain't no telling what it's gonna take to get some of these things off, but we're gonna try to get this done today. All right, guys, come along. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm underneath the truck, so we're gonna go with this here rear bumper. And it calls for 18 millimeter, so I have it. And I'm gonna use my impact and this here ratchet here and get to work. It may call for another size on up, but I think I have whatever I need to get it off, so let's get to work. All right, guys. Oh, I'm tired. Got the hitch down. On this side, I got to get these two bolts in here, and those two on the other side. I already got these two out. I got to get those two on the other side, and that will be gone. But I'm telling you guys, with this damn thing probably not being touched since '97, they were hard. I had to put some sense into it. I used my bar off of my jack to help break it, because its impact didn't have enough. So wish me luck on these other four. These two are easy, but those hit, oh yeah, wish me luck. What up, guys? It is the next day, and as you can see, that dang on bumper is still on. Those I'll get underneath and show you the bolts that gave me pure hell last night. I got one out, and no, but what I had to do is go and get a deep socket 18, and as you can see, that's the hitch there. But let me show you that deep socket. All right, went to Harbor Freight and got this deep socket 18, and that is what I need. That is what I need. I was using a 3/4, and it fits, but it was slipping just a little. So we're gonna try to get this going, guys, and see if I can get this off and show you what I'm trying to do. All right, guys, we got the rear bumper off, and all I'm gonna say is that PB Blast is your friend when taking parts off of these old damn cars. I tell you, if I'd have had that PB Blast, I put another lubricant on it yesterday, but it was gone. Put that PB Blast on there and started working, they came right off. I know now. Lesson learned. Now we're gonna get the tire taken down. The tires I'm going with back on this thing, that spare is gonna be obsolete. So I'm gonna get it out the way. Also too, I'm a little disappointed because in all the videos I've seen, this bar here is not on the truck when they take these off. So I'm gonna have to cut these, which I didn't want to do. Which I don't want to do, but I have to get what I want on here. So let me get this tire down and keep moving, guys. Lesson learned. Also too, I gotta tell you guys, I gotta get these off. I have never seen these on either, but I found the bolt for them to get them off. So I'm gonna take all this off, get the tire down, see how it looks. Just in case you guys was wondering how to get that tire down, on this side here is a little carrying case for the jack. These two pieces are in it. Put it inside and turn, and the tire will lower down. just in case you guys are wondering, that bolt is this here, and it is an 18. So in order to get this one, you got to get inside here and get it out. So you probably have to come from the other side or move something around, or because this one was in that hole and it's gone. But I'm not gonna sit here and play with it too much. If I can't get it because of that gas line being in the way, we're gonna do the next best thing, and you know what that means. So let me try to work with it. I'm tired, as you could tell, but I'm almost there. Oh, also, the tire is down. I don't think I'm gonna take everything out. I think I'm just gonna take the pole out from that screw and see if it stays locked in there. If it does, I'll put this where the jack is, so just in case I got to get back under there for anything, still got it. But I think that's what I'm gonna do. Instead of, I've seen people take everything out, but I'm not gonna do that just yet. All right, guys, got the tire down, got the hitch down, got the bumper off, got whatever these things here off. And that's the way we looking. I don't know if I'm gonna get, you guys can get a good picture of this because of this glare. I'm gonna try to block it. But yeah, this is what we left with. All right, guys, all the videos I've seen, I haven't seen. If so, if it's been there, they haven't showed it. So another problem for another day. You guys can tell I had to cut these, like I told you in the last video. I would have to, and I had to cut them back pretty decent just to make sure this fits. All right, y'all, this is the finished product. Sorry I missed some steps, but what I did to put this on, I used some self-tappers right along here, and right in there is 2 tabs, one like right there and one there. Put 2 screws in there, and then I put some more self-tappers in here. Let me see if I can show you guys the body line. It's off just a tad over here, which I'll show you in a minute. But if you look down that way, perfect. But down there, right there, I couldn't get that to come up, but man, all the work I put into this, I am not worried about that little piece. Other than that, this is the finished product on this 97 Tahoe. I think I did pretty doggone good if I don't say so myself. But all right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.